My name is Callum and I'll be showing you how to log in and register on Survey4All. So you can either press login, register or my account, either three will lead you to pretty much the same place. Register brings you to the registration page. The login page also has a link to the registration page as well, so if you wanted to do it that way you could if you wanted to. And now create a username, add your name, email address, if you can spell it right anyway, password, any password you'd like, just confirm it as well just to make sure you haven't spelt it wrong, make sure everything's correct, name, the username that you want, the email that you're going to be using, the two passwords, register. Oh, my apologies, you also have to click the terms, agree that you've read the terms of services and the privacy policies, which can all be found here, so if you wanted to read them you can go through it and read away. Then once you've registered, it'll say that you registered successfully, then you can click to log in as you normally would on any website, and then it brings you to here. I haven't created any surveys yet, so it's not displaying any, but if I wanted to I could instantly go straight to here and start creating surveys. Anyway, thank you for listening and I hope you enjoy our website.